Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a fragrance that has been getting a lot of attention lately. That is the Princess of Saudi Arabia by Asda. If you're into elegant, feminine, and affordable Middle Eastern perfume, this one might really interest you. So let's get into it. You know what guys, I'm getting a lot of compliment regarding about this perfume. Actually, meron ako dito, matagal na to, nabuksan ko na siya. And as you can see, dun sa pinakalalagyan niya is may velvet din siya. Ayan. May velvet din siya. And dun sa pinaka-package niya is as you can see, yung intricate design niya. There's a gold label here as well sa takip. And pag inopen mo siya, suwabe. And also, velvet din siya. Siyempre, medyo naluma na siya kasi gamit ko na siya. Actually, onti na lang to, pero grabe yung compliment na nabibigay nito. And also, I have here another extra because I really love this perfume. I think if kakategory ko yung mga perfume na meron ako, nasa top 2, 3 siya. So, try natin yung spray. Bango niya talaga. You know what? Yung hindi gourmand lady dyan, I think you would really fall in love with this one. Right from the first spray, this perfume feels very soft, feminine, and elegant. It gives you classy vibe and sweet but not too loud or overpowering. Like yung pag dumaan ka, mahal na ang bango. Pero hindi yung grabe naman sa tapang ng pabango. It's like that kind of vibe. Yung scent profile neto is like sweet and slightly fruity note siya. And may creamy floral and I feel like may jasmine content siya because you can really smell on it. And it once na nag-dries down yung perfume, you could notice the warm, musky, and slightly vanilla base. Pero yung vanilla niya is not overpowering the fruity note. So I'm not really into a caramel or vanilla note, but it's really like subtle and alam mo yun, yung parang oh, fresh siya, yung ganon. It's not really sharp or heavy. Everything is very well blend, I could say. This perfume, I think the overall vibe, this is really a feminine perfume and graceful in fragrance. It feels romantic, soft and polished, perfect for someone who's enjoy gentle, elegant perfume, but not too overpowering. I think you would really have to consider this one because I really love it. And I think you could also wear this one especially sa mga event or class event. But I usually use this one para sa work. I just really wanted a sweet, fruity, but not so strong. I just really want the feminine vibe on it na subtle lang na maamoy ako ng mga ka-work ko na, uy, mabango. But I really, really have a lot of compliment with this one. They are asking kung saan ko ba ito nabili. I just told them I bought it online. And I'm gonna put also yung price nito because I bought this officially sa website ng Latapa sa Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Yeah, sa Dubai. And that was last year and it gives you like a discount. That's why I bought two. And I think you should give it a try, guys. Since na nowadays is hype and hype yung mga Arab perfume, I think you have to consider this one. Let's go through my final thought. Overall, the Asda Princess of Saudi Arabia is beautiful, soft, and classy fragrance. It easy to, to remember. Para siyang magandang maging trademark ng amoy mo because it's really classy. And just let me know if you like this one or if you tried also. Bye!